guys. What's up? I cannot win from fucking losing. I don't give a fuck what I do. Like, that's
What kind of car was it?
You want your payment to be lower than your credit score.
Oh my God. We always say in this channel, when we have cars, we have delusional behaviors and tendencies. We're also going to have crash out behaviors. I think this one is going to be so interesting. It deserves you to watch this video all the way through. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to jump straight in.
Your note will be about $840, but you're gonna put down $5K. $840, because like you gonna listen.
No, I was referred to you from a girlfriend. She said you was the man for the job, so I ain't want to deal with nobody but Jay Wrong. You sound like a winner. You sound like you can help me, and believe me, you sir, I need all the help I can get. I saw on y'all website that 22, the Scat Pack, the nice one, the black one.
Yeah, only 10,000 miles. Yeah, we got it.
I know you probably don't deal with the numbers because you're a salesman. I used to do this stuff too. How much do you feel like with 44,000 on the car? I ain't got no trade in, and I'm gonna put about $5 grand down. But here's the thing: my credit ain't the best. I say about a 550. I want to be around no more than $500 a month. What could you do?
I'm looking at that car right now because they told me you're gonna call in after taxes and everything. It'll probably be like 48, but you're gonna put $5 grand down. Well, I'm gonna tell you. So on average, with average credit, you're gonna finance about $20 for every $1,000 of that car. You want your payment to be lower than your credit score.
Well, if you make
Oh my God. Emotional damage. If somebody said that to me, I'm going to take the bus every single day. God, that was brutal, yo. Damn.
make it sound like that, I know I got high taste. My credit ain't the best. I know I might be dreaming, but baby, they say you were the dream catcher.
We may need a co-sign. I may need a little bit more down, but we can do what we can to work with you.
I want to try to do this myself, Jerome.
Come see me, man. We got you.
I don't want to waste my time.
I'm waiting on you.
Okay.
All right.
I'm coming. Hey, I am coming now.
To be honest with you, he really got champagne taste with a root beer budget. I'm going to see what we can do for him. I know he does have some cash down. And, it's a beautiful car. So he's not going to find it anywhere in this area with only 10,000 miles. So
Yo, here's the thing, right? 550 credit score, brutal, embarrassing. I personally think you should just be driving a little paid off car, a whoop-tee, a beater, a bike, like anything to get through, right? But I do think he will get approved. And saying that you want a car payment that's lower than your credit score, I might as well go big on big. And if I'm gonna get hit, because he is gonna get approved because he has $5,000 down, what's gonna happen is he's gonna get hit with the high interest rate, 15, 22, 28% sometimes. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna take the loan and also expand it because he's looking for affordability. The only way to get affordability is they are gonna expand the month to 84 or 96 sometimes too. So that is the reason why we have this epidemic of repossession, paying luxury prices to look rich and not owning anything. $5,000 should be allocated, in my opinion, to just fixing his credit, doing what he has to do. But again, people gonna make decisions, like I said.
My husband's car got repossessed, and I mean, obviously it's our fault. It gets repossessed when you don't pay your bill, and we didn't pay the bill because we had to choose between paying the car bill or paying rent. That's on us. To get the car back is $1,600, and the car is only worth $2,000, but we owe $8,000. So logistically, it makes no sense for us to go pick that car back up, but that leaves my husband out of a car. So if you're in the Westchester, New York City area, like Bronx, Manhattan, Westchester area, and you have a car that you are willing to sell to us for under, I want to say like $1,500, we would love to speak to you. If you can share this video so that my husband can make it to work, and I would love it if you can send me a DM with the information, with the listing, if you have it listed on Facebook Marketplace, so that my husband can get in contact with you guys. If you don't have a car that you're selling, if you can press all the buttons and get this out there so that we can hopefully find a car in the next couple of days, because we do need a car. Where we live, like, we can't really get anywhere without a car. So please engage.
My opinion, honest opinion, is just buy the car back. People get stuck on, right? And again, this is what happens when you make decisions through fear, right? You start to make more worse decisions. If it costs $1,600 to get it back and you have $1,500, just get the car back. It's a means of survival at this point. And then just do some gig work, do something to just keep up with next month's payment. Like, you're going to go and spend the money that you have on a car that you don't even know is reliable on Facebook Marketplace, where you could just stop all that and just go get that car because you already know what's wrong with it. You've been keeping up with the maintenance and the regular checkups on it. and then just re-up. So then now it's repossessed. You're going to owe more money and get sued, possibly sued. I don't understand. This is an easy one. But again, when you are stuck on how much the car is worth and how much you owe, people are like, I'm getting robbed. Like, at the end of the day, people should understand, like, you were getting robbed when you knew you signed that deal. And that is what happens when decisions are made through fear, and one missed paycheck, one emergency, one life problem away, and boom, we're stuck in the situation. And then there's a repo truck. Let's go to the next video because it starts to make sense why not to trust Facebook Marketplace or trust strangers that honestly don't care. Because personally, is people don't care about themselves. So we get on social media to rant and vent. People are going to take advantage of you when you're in a bad situation. They don't care about your situation. They just want to make money. Anybody's going to sell you a crappy car. Let's get into it because there's a girl that's in that same position right now.
Bro, I swear I cannot make this up. Bro, I just bought the car today, fool. Like, I can't make this shit up, bro. I cannot win from fucking losing. I don't give a fuck what I do. Like, that's
What kind of car was it?
crazy. Make this shit, fool. Like,
It's an
I
old
can't today,
Mercedes.
fool.
Nah. Number one, I am sympathetic for what this girl's going through. This is what happens when we chase image. This is what happens when we chase status, y'all. This is an old Mercedes. Oh my God. And you bought it on Facebook Marketplace. We were just, like I was just saying in the last clip, if you owe $1,600 and you have $1,500, just pay that so you don't end up in this position. And the problem was why I buy an old, like the problem was you bought an old Mercedes and two, you bought it from Facebook Marketplace. So you bought somebody else's problem. Damn. Yeah, that somebody coming on in there crying like that. Oh my God, I feel so sorry for her, man. It's just the solution is always, it's never sexy, bro. It's never, it's just buy something boring, cheap, reliable, and paid off. Fix your credit. Real wealth is quiet. You're not gonna have to deal with repossessions. No repo man. No panic payments, which then you're stuck with the last girl where she has to be in a situation where she'll get sued and she's making a worse decision. There's no pretending. Damn. Like, this is not hate. This is not judging. This is a warning. All my videos for people that are watching is to warn you to not get caught in the game of pleasing other people while you just do things that bring you displeasure, bring you pain, bring you agony, bring you distress. And I feel sorry for this girl. Like, I literally have a coworker that literally bought a car like that one every single week. Once a week, he's coming to work like really late because the car is in the repair shop. You know what I mean? If we can't buy the new one, it's a sign we should just step away from it. I really do feel sorry for this girl, but we're going to get into the next video because it just keeps getting more and more problematic.
Yeah.
Hey, somebody call the cops.
Call the cops, guys.
We're calling.
Oh my God, he is done. He's done.
Get the cops coming, guys. We got him. We're on the phone.
Damn, the transmission is cooked. Sound like bells and whistles. Let's keep going.
We definitely need police for sure. Maybe EMS, I'm not sure.
Why is he coming out of the car so calm? And number two is, I would be so scared to show my face. I swear to God, I would run the other way if I did this, which will never happen in my dreams, for sure. But if I did this, I'm running the opposite way. They're going to have to find me through registration. Like, who's registered to this car? They're going to knock on my house. That was me. Because I got recorded 4K. Damn.
We are
Is
at
that
the
the
old,
wife?
across from the Old Navy in Pier Park in Panama City Beach. There's a gentleman that I guess he was about to get towed, and he drove over the parking lot. He smashed into a pole.
Why
He
is
is
the
now
wife
on the
walking around
sidewalk.
with a smile on her face? Why is the baby there? Like, there's so much unanswered questions. Let's keep going. It gets worse and worse.
I don't know if he hit anybody. He's arguing with the tow truck driver right now. We just need to get police over here as quick as possible. Yeah, he's definitely going. Maybe, and this guy was running to the tow truck. He pulled that
I'm dead ass looking at the door, stuck in front of your doors. You can't get out your doors from the front. You gotta go to the back. You can't get out.
Florida. Something is always crashing out in Florida. There's something. If you open the news, Florida man, boom, Florida woman. And this is, don't disrespect the Florida. I'm not disrespecting. If you live in Florida, I love Florida. Beautiful weather, beautiful beaches, palm trees everywhere, real tropical. But this is nothing tropical about this situation. Number one, this is a felony crime, right? This is a felony. If you're a law enforcement watching this video, is this considered felony? On top of that, there's property damage. So not only are you getting repossessed, which you're going to get sued, now you're going to get sued on top of that with the companies that own those buildings. All of this, like I said, could have been avoided. It always starts with the image. BMW, Mercedes, Benz, or sometimes even Buicks. All right? Like 22% will make your payment balloon like crazy. $900 a month. Even for a Buick sometimes when you have bad credit. Because every person that wants these cars, bad credit, like we said, like the guy $550 trying to buy a Scat Pack. Crazy. And then comes the negative equity, right? And then after that, you're not just leaving the dealership, but you're also leaving already upside down. Like, this isn't wealth. This is cosplaying wealth. And I always said it, right? Stop trying to buy luxury cars and luxury prices to look rich. You own nothing. The bank owns everything. And it's just sad, man, because that repossession just destroys your credit every single time. But people would do this. People will go through this. People will crash out. Like, we literally seen 3 situations that were very sad, very stressful. Like I said, buy something boring, cheap, reliable, paid off, so you don't have to end up on TikTok being exposed and having somebody call the cops on you or bawling out, crying because you couldn't make it home after buying an old Mercedes. Fix your credit, please. Freedom is always better than leather seats with an emblem. I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. Let me know what you guys think. I need your thoughts and opinions down below. I really want to react to it. With that being said, make sure to be good, do good, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.